Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, your go-to channel for tech tips and tutorials. Ready to make your Android device even better? Let's dive into how to update an Android device. Updating your Android device is super important. It is like giving your phone or tablet a little tune-up to make it run smoothly, stay safe, and gets all the new tricks Android has to offer. Whether you are looking to enjoy cool new features, fix bugs, or keep your device protected, updating is the way to go. Let's jump right in and learn how to keep your device up to date and rocking the latest version of Android. Number 1. Go to Settings. Click About Phone. Click the MIUI version, and as you can see, there are no updates available. Click Check for updates, and there is still no updates available. 2. Second is to go back to Settings and click System Apps Updater, and it says all system apps are up to date. You will know if your phone is not updated because they will notify you, or if you are going to click the options provided above, there will be other options that will appear. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. And that's it. That is how to update an Android device. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more easy tech tutorials. Thank you. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.